All right, guys. Yes, the Jaw 3s in the building. Let's see what the hype is all about, because I'm telling you, the hype is out of control with this shoe. We have, a little bit of a little thing that I'm going to show you guys, and just run my intro. We'll get into all of this in just a minute, guys. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things. And always staying away from the drama. Guys, remember, it is not worth it. And yes, I'm wearing a coat because it's cold as hell over here now. It's like 50 degrees or something like that. But anyways, guys, like I was saying, I think I have... Do I have the massive cleaver? Where's the massive cleaver? Hey, where the hell's the massive cleaver? I had the massive cleaver around here. I don't know where I put it. Damn it. Give me a second, guys. All right, the massive cleaver, ladies and gentlemen. Wait a second. Yes, the massive cleaver, the ultimate protection, guys. Watch yourself, I always say. This I have to show you because some people are interested in this. A lot of people, actually, some of the members of the channel was actually asking me about it. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to make a whole video. And guys, I have so many things that... Look at this. I was actually thinking about reviewing all this, but this is crazy. Check it out. In 1 second. Massive hat. Oh, massive. Look at this other thing over here. Check this out. This is a nice one right here. Oh. Massive amount. Massive. I like this old school one right here. Remember with the... And, I'm actually debating. No lie. I'm actually debating on actually start reviewing hats. Guys, it's thousands of hats. Like I've always said. A shitload of hats, and I still wear the same ones. It's like 10 max, 10, 15. This is the funny thing about it. But I think I'm more addicted to hats than actual shoes. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I admit my faults, guys. It is what it is. But if you guys think I should review hats, let me know. Let me know. Let's open this bad boy up right here. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I don't mess this up, because gotta cut it. Dude, honestly, I don't know how this gentleman, if you encounter the channel, I got this from eBay, guys. If you encounter anybody that could stuff this, what I'm about to show you in here, I'm telling you, you need a reward, bro. Wow. How the hell? Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. Check it out, guys. Vintage pieces. I told you. Vintage pieces all the way through. Check out this Jordan windbreaker. Old school, man. Look at that, bro. Beautiful. You guys saw it on the unboxing. The last unboxing thing that I did. Man, this is nice, dude. This is beautiful. I love this. All the bright colors, man. Bringing it back to that 90s vibe. That's what I'm into now. Yeah, I'm a little... I don't want the stylish shit. You know what I'm saying? The older you get, the more you just want to live your youth. You know what I'm saying? When... other people just want to get old fast in life. That's just the way it is. Anyways, that's it. Enough of that. Let's get into the Jaw 3s, guys. Because these things are something else. Yes. But first, let me put this over here. Let's get into the presentation. Yes. The presentation is Very nice. I love it. The graffiti style. Right on top right there, you guys see it? Jaw 3. That gives me the 90s vibes big time. The lightning bolts, you know, the just the way the box is in total, it's gorgeous. Going to the side of the actual box, you see worldwide with the Nike swoosh, all the lightning bolts. In the back, it says VIP only. And you could say probably, that's actually more the side. In the back, you see the Ja Morant logo. And you guys can see right there, right on top of the QR codes, Admit 1. Ja 3 EP, colorway is White Star Blue Dusty Cactus. Yes, sir. And size 10. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. Where is the Dusty Cactus color on this? If you guys know, Dusty Cactus is teal. Where is the Dusty Cactus in this shoe? Because I don't see it. I don't see any teal on this. Well, that's a little surprise that comes later on. But first, guys, you already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. Yeah. This is going to be a complicated one to say. Let's get to it. Well, guys, I guess I do have to start it off in the toe box like I always do, but this is a unique shoe, man. This is extremely, extremely unique. You guys see the white, you know, that's the actual, like the underlay, if you want to call it like that. And you guys see like a tired tread pattern running all across the front of that shoe. I like that very much, very unique. And one of the actual, if you look at it right there, the actual fourth, let's call it tire pattern or tread pattern or whatever, it's actually with that midsole. And we'll get to the midsole in just a little bit. Let's stay with the upper of the shoe. The whole upper of the shoe, you guys see the Ja Morant, the little logo of his and all that. And that is actually in cloth. And it has like the letters in silicone. I like that. I love the touch. The tongue, the middle of the tongue, if you notice, it doesn't have a little thing to put the laces through so it can hold the tongue in place. It's just a mesh tongue all the way through. And all the way in the top, it's like a nylon feel all across that tongue. It has a little silicone surrounding the sewing of the Ja Morant logo. I like that touch as well also, and it has like a nice little pattern on it, you know, with the light you can actually see the pattern. Very nice. I like that. And the inside of the shoe, the whole lining, the back of the tongue, everything is pure money white. Very beautiful. And you see the Ja Morant logo in blue. The whole rest of the insole is in white. Now going to the side of the shoe, this is where the things start getting fun up in this joint right here. Like I said, you see those tread patterns going to each little other pattern, you could call it like that too, of the midsole. You guys see the swoosh, very thick silicone when it comes to that swoosh. It is in blue with the pink surrounding it. Right in the middle, you guys see the Zoom X, like a clear window, you know, or translucent window when it comes to this. The top of that window, if you guys are looking at it really good, it's supposed to be an A. But that's the special part about this one. And so far, excuse me that I cut that, so far, there's only 2 pairs of this silhouette of Ja Morant that has the graffiti A on the side. There's only 2. This one and the black pair. There's only 2 of them, guys. So I guess that is the reason why this shoe is going for the price that it's going. Because there is no other silhouette that has the graffiti right there. Me personally, any other silhouette that comes with that graffiti, I'm definitely gonna get my eye on it. But this is very unique, and as you guys see it right there, it is graffiti style, like it was spray painted. Very beautiful touch, very 90s feel. I love that when it comes to that, especially when it comes to my childhood, you know, and meeting a lot of graffiti artists and stuff like that down in Miami. Man, this right here really got me. I really like that very much. But anyways, let's talk more about the actual shoe. You see the whole back underlaid with that mesh in white as well. And all the way in the back of the shoe, it says 12, that I'll show you now what the right shoe says. Going into the midsole, that tread pattern all the way through the midsole. This shoe is basically, well, I'll get to that. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it yet, just in case you guys haven't seen it. But once again, guys, in this channel, I get into the details of things that people don't mention. They just talk about it, whatever. But I get into the detail that I notice when these other people don't notice this. Check it out. See the whole midsole. Just to get it out. Obviously, you guys see the whole pattern, the whole tread pattern of the midsole. Let's go to the sole of the shoe. Sole of the shoe, you see that tread pattern as well. It changes a little bit right down the middle. Well, it is very different right in the middle right there, as you guys can see. It is in pink, and it says, "I'm not even worried about proving them wrong." And the number 2 right in the middle. And where does the unique part of this goes into play? The tread pattern in the bottom mixes with the midsole and goes all the way through the actual shoe. That is the part that I like the most about it. Yes, obviously there's probably some, I don't want to say, that is saying right now, bro, obviously I knew that, bro. You know that. You know that's always, no, because I haven't seen now one other reviewer mentioning that. It goes from the sole all the way to the top of the shoe. That's the part that I'm talking about right there, the unique part. But obviously, there's always the smart ass out there, you know. It's the sneaker community, guys, full of smart asses. Let's get back into the shoe. So yes, overall, beautiful. Just gonna give you a quick rundown right there so you guys can see the shoe. And the other pair, like I was saying, this pair says 12, just to make sure that you guys don't think it says something else. The other shoe says 12 as well, guys. So 12, el 12, that's all it is, guys. But Dusty Cactus, you guys might be asking yourself, why Dusty Cactus? Where is the Dusty Cactus? There it is. I didn't even know this shoe came at extra laces. It brings the actual teal laces. Me personally, no. I'm not going to put on the teal laces whatsoever, guys. That ain't going to happen. As a matter of fact, massive cleaver, you're gone. Yes. That goes into the box of laces. But yes, guys. Now, when it comes to sizing, I recommend on this shoe going half a size up. If you're very, very narrow footer, you could stay true to size. I personally would recommend it because it is very, let's just say, narrow. It is, at the end of the day, guys, a performance shoe. That this is, I'll get to my final assessment at the end, guys. At the end, I'll get to my final assessment of the shoe. But I recommend going half a size up on this sneaker. Now, when it comes to styling, my brothers and sisters, let me specify this. Man, basketball shoes are coming a long way from where they were. This thing is beautiful. I love it. This is top notch, man. Loose laced, regular laced. however the hell you want to put it. This shoe, it is beautiful, sick, very stylish, gives you that retro feel. It's just cool as hell, man. I think the shoe is amazing. And by the way, guys, just in case, because I probably forgot, the inside, the swoosh is in like a dark blue type of color, or you just say royal blue. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Very impressed. I recommend these shoes. I love them. And yeah, I mean, you don't have to get this exact one, guys. I'll leave a couple of links there for any other colorways that you guys want. But yo, wow. Nike, John Morant, colorways, presentation, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm very happy with this shoe. So there you guys have it, guys. The Jaw 3, amazing. I'm going to bring now in a little bit, and I'm going to start reviewing now the Shoe Shy 001s, those Converse that look very promising. If you guys saw the unboxing of it, the first look. Wow. So far, these things are crazy, man. These basketball shoes are getting out of control, dude. Out of control. No lie. Anyways, guys, there you guys have it. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Why is it that I keep messing up now? That's so you can see, guys, that my mind is just thinking faster than what I'm supposed to be doing. Guys, I got a million things in my mind. Anyways, peace. El cohete. Ya, el cerebro ya está cohete.